Yo, what's going on, guys? So today, come on. Alright, hold on. Pause the intro. I don't think you man are ready for this video, you know. Alright, we're gonna go meet Aladdin himself, the crazy guy on the 07. And you already know, whenever I meet this guy, it's absolute mayhem. So it's gonna be a bit of a mad one today, we can't even lie. Yeah, we're gonna go meet him, and then we're gonna go meet Amir 660 of London, and then we are heading to MV Agusta. Why we are heading to MV Agusta, don't really know. I think Amir wants to buy an MV, so ooh, if he gets that bike, that's gonna be crazy, can't lie. I've only ever seen one MV in London, and it was I think it's the MV Agusta Rush. Oh, let me tell you, bro, that bike looks so good. I already know the maintenance is tragic, but that bike is looking clean, bro. And the sound was so good. But yeah, bike is shining, just like Aladdin said.
Body was shining.
It didn't even wash her. Obviously, it's been raining quite a bit in London. So literally, all I did was get a cloth and I wiped the wet stains off. And I used a bit of polish to polish the bike. Bro, I literally washed her like 3 days ago, and then it starts raining, so I'm not about to wash her again. And of course I'm late. I'm never really on time, but I have an exception because of the colour of my skin. So what we saying, man, them intro looked a bit lit, innit? Man, them, you already know what time it is when I bring out the phone. If you man are not following me on Instagram yet, make sure you follow me on Insta. What is this guy doing? Bro, was that an Audi A5 Undi, bro? Yo, I thought that was for me, bro. I was about to, let me not even say what I was about to do. Bro, A5 Undi. Bro, they have everything nowadays, bro. Yo, it's getting scary out here, bro. I've seen Undis and Mini Coopers, bro, like 05 Mini Coopers. I've seen feds in Range Rover Velas. I've seen feds in BMW X5s. Bro, they got everything, bro. Man, them, you better be enjoying this weather as well, because I promise you, it's not going to last that long. Am I going? No, I am going the right way. Oh, I'm bare late. I can't even lie. I forgot where I was going for a minute, bro. This heat is getting to me already. It's going to be one of those days. First wheelie of the day. Come on. Woo! The bike is sounding good today. Oh, it's a doggo. Hey. You already know what time this means, bro. Yo.
Parking at the same spot every time.
Yeah, bro, it seems like we might have to start changing it because it might start getting hot.
Hey, boy, it's hot right now, bro. Bro, I nearly wrote off into a pedestrian in front of 5 bike jakes,
bro. You're lying.
It was a long day, bro. I just jammed on the brakes, bro.
Bro, you're gonna need to change this to black soon, bro.
Nah, it's fine, bro.
It's fine until,
yeah, nah, bro, it's
until
fine.
they start clocking,
yeah,
bro.
Nah, bro, it's all good, man. Nah, it's all good. They all looked at it, they gave me thumbs up. They
what,
rated the bike control,
police?
you get me?
The feds?
Yeah, but I was like, I'm sorry, mate.
Yeah, until they see the video, bro, then
what
it's...
video?
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, what video?
Hey, what are you talking about, bro?
No.
I don't know what video you're talking about.
Oh, bro, nah.
I lost my wallet as well today, so it's a good day for me.
You're lying?
I swear down. I
How?
lost the whole thing.
How?
I must have had this open a little bit.
Oh, bro.
And then I done I didn't do a wheelie. By the way, in some garage, innit? So we'll link up with them here.
Don't say their names, bro. Bro, you're gonna do it me, bro. You just said that fool cubby.
Oh yeah, but you ain't gotta put that in the video,
you
bro.
said that fool cubby, bro.
Alright, so K and 660.
You wanna go to that What is it? Shell. Fuck the shell.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck the shell.
What made me laugh the most, it was the accent.
Fuck the shell.
Why the fuck fuel is not coming out? This is the shell. Fuck shell. Why
Fuck
this
the
thing?
shell.
Why not coming out? Fuck the shell. Fuck the shell. I die. You don't understand how much. I open the tank up. But they need fuel.
This is fuel gauge. Fuck. You don't have a fuel gauge.
Oh, is
yeah,
it?
so he has to keep looking. Alright, man, then. We're gonna go meet 660. Yeah, apparently more people are coming. We got a Honda 650 coming. And I mashed 125, bro. Man, damn, I'm gonna show you this 125, bro. It is mashed, bro. It is mashed. And it's not even like the brother ain't got money.
Oh, I know that guy.
Who? Well, the camera guy.
No, the actual guy.
Come on. Let's see if we can get some reaction. Still, look, they're filming. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Fuck the shell. Fuck the shell. Fuck the shell.
No, it's when he said it, bro, I died. Fuck shell.
Bro, man, just leaking all that petty on the. Come on.
Bro, listen, yeah.
Come on.
Scatty bike, innit?
Do you have any like black tape?
Sorry?
Black tape?
No.
Nothing.
Do you know we can go to get black tape
Where?
from like Screwfix or something?
Could put a dom on it.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Oh, you know what? Have you got normal tape? Like in there, like under there, like just normal tape?
No.
Just like normal tape? Like,
No, I don't have.
no tape? Ah. Have a good one though, yeah?
What about this?
It's paper tape.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fine. I just need to take a little bit.
Okay.
Is that okay, yeah?
This one, give me back, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Just cover the whole thing.
But then I can't see the speed, bro.
That's calm, just be in.
Man said that's calm.
It is calm, you don't need speed, bro.
Brother, if I hit a speed camera, how do I know how fast I'm going?
F&D.
Brother, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that the whole time.
Why not?
That's long. Because, bro, man's on a sport bike. You know how long it is to reach for that plate? Man can't even see my fuel gauge. Brother.
You don't need to see your fuel gauge, bro. You're the hungry man.
What you... Bro, I need to see my gauge,
Oh,
blood.
bro, this guy.
This thing drinks, bro. Man said cover the whole screen. Oh my days, do it again, bro. Give me the tape, bro. Give me the tape, bro. Bro, you're fucking it up, bro.
You can see your fuel gauge, you can see your RPM, you can see everything.
Come on.
Yeah?
Come on.
Yeah? Come on.
I still, bro, I can't see the other digit. I can't see the other digit, bro. Brother, fuck the shell. Fuck the shell.
Shell.
Shell, fuck shell.
Really?
Yeah, fuck the shell.
Why the fuck fuel is not coming out?
This is some sick CGI and AI going on right now. I can't even lie to you. Look at that, such a nice guy, man. What a nice guy. Bro, you can squeeze through that, bro. Bro, I'm not getting through there, bro. Ross Clark. Ain't no way I'm doing a wheelie down this road, bro. Ain't no way. Bro, there's gonna be one Fed just on the right side of the road. Nah, this road's too hot. That guy liked the bike. See what I mean? Yo, it's too hot. Bro! This way!
You know, instead of like it's on her bicycle and moving.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. I have no idea, bro. She's on one.
Fuck that.
Fuck the shell, man. Fuck the shell. Alright, man, then. We're going MV. 660 just arrived.
Come masturbate this thing.
Now we're gonna go MV. They swap bikes as well, I can't lie. Yeah, there is. It's mad, isn't it?
That one, no delay at all.
You'll feel it. Yeah, these man swap bikes. He's gonna ride the, we're only going like 2 minutes away, but he's gonna ride the 07, and it's got a stage 2 tune on it, so he's gonna enjoy that. Yeah, he's loving that bike, I can tell, man. That 660, I rode it as well. It's just, I'm not feeling it. It sounds nice though, but it's got that throttle delay, and it's a bit whack. That throttle delay kills the bike. It's a pogo. It's a pogo as well, the suspension on the 07. Like, it's good for city riding, yeah, but when you go around the corner you need it stiffer. So I think a lot of, because that's a first gen 07, and a lot of people were complaining about the suspension, like, it just feels like a pogo. Bro, it's always so scary when someone else wheelies your bike, you know.
How'd you find the 07?
That was nice. I love the shock, front shock.
Which one?
The front one.
Oh, it's bouncy.
That way you can lift wheel really easily.
Yeah.
You have to do this, and then that's it.
And it's very comfortable on London roads.
It is.
Ooh,
Oh my goodness. Man, look at this.
the Rush. Wait, which one's this?
Wallahi, brother, like, what? Where we have seen this kind of shit?
You have to get one.
Of course, I think I need to.
These are something special, I can't even lie to you. Fuck the KTM, man. I don't like the front. The front is what bothers me.
Look at the new one.
It looks like a transformer. Like, what is, like, even Yamaha are doing this? It looks like Optimus Prime and fucking, what's his name? It looks like a Decepticon. I don't like the fronts on these. Like, I don't like the front. I really, the single light, I'm not feeling it. This is an animal. But then the front, like, if they just put the lights here, oh my days, that would look nasty, bro. That would look nasty. This bike is nasty, bro. This bike, man, this bike is crazy. He has to get this bike. He has to get this bike. Everybody go tell him to get this bike. Is this the Rush? Oh my, man, them. Like, even if you don't like nakeds, bro, look at this bike. Look at this bike. It's crazy. This bike is crazy, bro.
What are you feeling? What are you feeling?
Bro, the Rush. Look at the Rush. This bike is crazy, bro, and it comes with an SC. I don't like the front on these, bro. I like these lights better.
I like them.
I like them lights over there, look awful, bro. Have you seen the new ones?
What,
the new
the
lights?
KTMs?
Yeah. I don't like it, bro. And then when you look at it from the side,
No, you know what?
weird.
No, from the side, here on.
yeah, here onward, nasty. Even that side, like this side, bro, nasty. I said that. Nasty. This one, like, nah.
I'll be honest with you. I really like this one. The GP. 890 GP. I genuinely like
I
that.
don't like it.
Bro,
Look at the tank, bro. It's got, what is it, a
I hear
camel,
it.
bro?
I hear
I know.
I hear it. I'm a KTM guy, innit? But I hear it. Listen.
Look at that, bro. It looks like a camel, bro.
Listen, it's a bit racist, I'm Arab. Anyway, listen. Oh my days.
Yeah.
This is AA Riders Heaven, bro.
For real.
AA Rider, if you're watching this.
Bro, I'm in your home. I'm in your home, G. Oh, bro. See, I shouldn't be in these dealerships because they make me depressed. Because, bro, look at these fucking nakeds.
I just spotted a Ducati Bentley edition, bro.
Bentley? I didn't even know they did that collab. I thought they only did the Lambo thing. Oh, bro, look at this. Bro, one day, man's gonna own a Ducati, you know. Of course, I'm a Yamaha guy, but bro, one day, I'm gonna own one of these Ducatis for sure. I'm depressed now.
Me too.
I'm the
I work here. I have to look at this beauty every single day.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. that's-
What we can do, we can come back later, me and you, we can rob it.
Ew. Tell me when.
Just look at it.
Yeah. They are also so powerful.
Yeah.
It's a combination of a more comfortable riding position and lots of power. Any super sport bike, you know. It's like it's a shitting position, right?
Alright man then. We're just leaving MV and Ducati now. Man, what amazing bikes, bro. One day I'm gonna own one of these bikes, bro. Now we're gonna go grab coffee. Oh fucking hell. I mean, he didn't get that high, but I could tell he wasn't used to that high.
No more question because I'm a little mad and I'm tired. Thank you.
You were good. You were good, but I could tell you're not used to that high. My speedo's broken as well, if you haven't realized. Oh, what the fuck? That was loud. "24/7, bro." Yo, that guy's walking like he owns the street. Yo, respect the confidence though. Come on, my guy. Yo, everyone vibing to music, bro, and to turn my shit on too. Look at this, everyone just chilling, bro. What am I doing? I'm lacking. Come on! I'm active today, man. Yo, I put on the music, it was a bad idea. Oh, I'm not making this turn. Where's oh shit, he's here. What the fuck?
Fuck hell!
Bro, I was blasting music. I don't even know if you guys are gonna hear that, but I was vibing. Got a little bit dangerous. Yeah, we're gonna go grab coffees and that. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get back on the road.